Welcome back, travelers. We know the sound of waves feels like home for you. And you're someone who dreams in hues of turquoise and gold. That's exactly the reason why we are back with the second part of finding the dreamiest Mediterranean beaches, so that you can plan your next beach vacation with a breeze. If you've missed the first part of our dreamiest Mediterranean beaches, don't worry, you can catch it through the link in the I button above, where we explored the magical coasts of Greece, Italy, and Spain. Trust us, you'll want to experience the whole Mediterranean dream. Before we dive right back in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, as the sun hasn't set on this coastal dream just yet. We are flying to Malta this time. Malta isn't just for beach lovers. It's for dreamers who want their coastline with a story. Think of cliffs that plunge into turquoise waters, and golden sands hidden beneath ancient fortresses. Start at Gajantofiha Bay, where red gold sand meets crystal clear waves under the soft glow of sunset. Stand atop the Dingley Cliffs, the highest point in Malta. Just you, the sky, and the vast Mediterranean stretching endlessly below. Hop over to Gozo, where time slows. Dive near the ruins of the iconic Azure Window, and walk the quiet northern coast near Marsalforn. There, you'll find a checkerboard of 350-year-old salt pans, which are still used today. Pause, breathe in the sea air, and feel centuries of tradition in every grain of salt. Not far from here is the quirky Popeye Village, a film set turned real-life seaside escape. Colorful wooden houses, Anchor Bay's sparkling waters, and a splash of nostalgia make it a playful detour from the usual. And finally, sail to tiny, car-free Comino Island. The Blue Lagoon is like stepping into a postcard. Dazzling waters, hidden sea caves, and sun-soaked rocks made for lazy, perfect days. In Malta, the sea doesn't just sparkle, it speaks. Are you listening? Corsica isn't just a beach. It's an experience that weaves together sea, sky, and rugged mountains in a way that feels almost cinematic. Located between the French Riviera and the Italian coast, this island is still one of the Mediterranean's best-kept secrets. Hop on a hybrid sightseeing boat. Quiet, clean, and designed to protect Corsica's wild ecosystem, and cruise into nature's own amphitheater. Sail past the surreal Calanche de Piana and the dramatic red cliffs of Capo Rosso, where wind-sculpted rock formations rise above turquoise coves. Then venture into the Scandola Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where volcanic cliffs plunge into crystal clear sea and rare sea eagles nest above hidden caves. Your journey lands you in Girolata, a remote fishing village, unreachable by road. Just you, the sea, and the slow rhythm of island life. Here, you can swim in untouched waters, or simply sit by the shore, letting time wash over you like the waves. If your heart beats a little faster at the thought of golden sands and coastal charm, the French Riviera just might be your next beach escape. We start in Nice, the Riviera's radiant crown jewel, where wide beaches meet a vibrant promenade, and the Mediterranean sparkles under endless sunshine. But just a little further along the coast lies a quieter treasure that feels like your own hidden getaway. Let's drift over to Menton, often called the Pearl of France. Tucked between the Italian border and the glitz of Monaco, this sun-drenched town has a softer, slower kind of magic, where colorful houses spill down the hillsides, pebbled beaches hug the shore, and the scent of citrus floats on the sea breeze. This isn't the French Riviera of movie stars and flashing cameras. It's the Riviera made for you. The beach lover who wants to slow down, soak up the sun, and savor every sea-scented moment. Still dreaming of sunlit shores? Then let your journey lead you to Hvar, Croatia. A sun-drenched island where golden light dances on the Adriatic. The air is thick with lavender, and time slows down just enough to savor every moment. Start your escape with a cruise to the Pakleni Islands, a dreamy chain of emerald islets just off Hvar's coast. Out here, it's all about easy living. Glide through hidden coves, anchor in quiet lagoons, and spend your day snorkeling in clear turquoise water or paddleboarding over glassy bays. It's the kind of peace that feels like it was made just for you. Craving a little thrill? Swap serenity for speed with a blue and green cave speedboat tour. You'll zip across the open sea to Budikovac Island, where a surreal turquoise lagoon begs for a quick swim. Then, slip into Stinova Cove, a hidden gem surrounded by cliffs so tall and tight, the beach feels like a secret. Finally, head to the mysterious Seacaves of Vis, glowing with light and legend. And in between all the swims and boat ride, don't forget to stroll Hvar's cobbled streets, where the scent of lavender drifts through the air. When the vibrant energy of Hvar fades with the sunset, Kirk rises like a quiet whisper. An island of time-worn stone towns, secret beaches, and sunlit trails where the Adriatic hums a softer tune. Start your journey with a short boat ride to Coastlines Island, a tranquil green islet where a 15th century Franciscan monastery preserves centuries of sacred history. Next, head east to Verbnik, a dramatic hilltop village clinging to the cliffs above the sea. Roam its famously narrow alleys, some just shoulder wide, and sip on the local Zlatina wine. Continue south to Bashka, home to the island's most popular beach. Bashka Beach offers a wide stretch of smooth white pebbles, perfect for swimming, lounging, or simply soaking up the island's vibrant coastal energy. Now for the island's hidden treasures, travel west toward Stara Bashka, a rugged coastal area with a wild feel. Hike down to Operna Bay, a tucked-away cove where golden pebbles meet transparent turquoise water. It's untouched, secluded, and blissfully silent. Finish your coastal escape at the spectacular Golden Bay, accessible only by boat. With its glowing amber cliffs and sapphire sea, this remote beach is pure Adriatic magic, a place that lingers in memory long after the tide retreats. Kirk isn't just a destination. It's a journey through contrast, sacred and raw, sunlit and stone-bound, welcoming and wild. So, did you find your favorite beach? Thanks for staying with us on this sun-soaked journey across the Mediterranean. We've handpicked the very best experiences to make your dream vacation seamless. No queues, no stress, just pure coastal bliss. From exploring the glowing blue lagoon in Malta, to sailing the Dalmatian coast of Croatia, we've linked the most unforgettable Get Your Guide adventures to help you make the most of every wave. Check the links in the description and let your next beach escape begin. And if even one of these seaside havens made you pause, sparked a travel dream, or reminded you of that perfect summer day, then maybe, just maybe, it's time to turn that feeling into your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tap that bell icon so you're always packed for the next wanderlust adventure. Until next time, keep wandering and keep dreaming.